Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I have a Christmas nail haul for you guys. And I didn't even think I was going to do this, but I ended up ordering so much for the holidays. I was like, I might as well show you guys. So most of it is from Amazon, but I also have some stuff from Daily Charm and then a few other like random things. So we're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm so pumped. Like, I just feel like this is a gift to myself, you know? This is such a weird angle that I'm doing. Alright, so the first thing I have are some Christmas press-on nails. These are from the brand Vivid Tella. I'm not really sure what that brand is. And I don't typically use press-on nails, but they're just like some really cute Christmas designs. You have like a tree, some snowflakes, some plain matte nails, and they're super cute. But yeah, so that is the first thing. And then I ordered this. I'm not sure what this is. Actually, it might be polygel. I'm not trying to break a nail over here. Okay, yeah, so the next thing is a Christmas polygel kit. I thought this was so cute. It has little like presents and snowman on it, but it comes with, it looks like a green, a gold, silver, red, black, and a white. So really everything you need for Christmas, and I just thought this would be cute to do some polygel overlay nails with, or maybe even with a form, I don't know. But I just, again, thought that was a cute little kit. So I got that. The next thing I ordered isn't really Christmassy, but I really needed some more nail stickers that I use as barriers to just go around my nail. And I got the normal ones that I usually get, but then I also got these. They're from Makartt, and I just thought they were cute because they had little patterns on them, even though it really doesn't matter. But I ended up getting 2 of these because I go through these things like crazy. And I know some of you don't like them, but I promise you, once you get the hang of it, game changer, game changer. Ooh, yeah, so I got some little snowflake glitters. They're really simple, but I just thought these were so cute. It comes with red ones, gold, iridescent, and I just think these would look so cute just by themselves. But also, I think I want to encapsulate them, maybe in some acrylic. I don't know. The next thing I got are some chrome powders. So I've used these before on my channel, but I don't have red, green, or just like other colors besides like gold and silver. So I ended up getting this pack, and it has a good amount of colors in it. I think, yeah, we have like silver, there's green, red, like a purpley pink shade, blue, pretty much just every color. And I think I could do some really cute looks with that. So I ended up getting that. The next thing I got is, oh yeah, so these are some of those reflective gel polishes. You guys might have seen them. I feel like a lot of brands are doing them, especially around the holidays, but they are so pretty. So they look like already glittery, but then once you have flash on them or really bright light, it just reflects everything. So I wanted to get some of these mainly for New Year's Eve to do some nail looks, but you could also use them for Christmas. So I don't know what color is which until I'll probably like open them on the screen so you can actually see what they look like. But again, just perfect for the holidays. The next thing I got are some more gel polishes. I feel like I was getting a lot of like gel this year, but I wanted just a classic holiday set, and I believe this is a like red and green Christmas set. Let's see. Yeah, so again, just your classic Christmas colors. There's like a silver, a gold, a red, a green, and another red, and just, oh, I think this is gonna be so cute. I love Christmas nail art so much. Next thing I picked up are some Christmas stamping plates. You guys know I'm trying to get into stamping a little bit, and this just had like some cute little sweater designs and snowflakes on here, and it's just a little stack of them. So I got those. And then I also got some transfer foils. The main reason I wanted to get these is because they have a transparent background, and I just wanted to be able to put them on whatever color and not have the actual like foil color as a background, if that makes sense. So I just got a little pack of those. Alright, next I did get some stuff from Daily Charm. I've been using their products for like 4 or 5 years now, but if you don't know what they are, they have just a lot of nail accessories. So glitters, charms, polish, stamping things, vinyls, just anything you can need for nails. So I ordered some stuff from there. This looks like a tiny little package, but I feel like I actually got a lot of things. The main thing I ordered are some nail vinyls. These are the brand What's Up Nails, but you can also get them from Daily Charm too. And every Christmas I use my nail vinyls. That's always where I get them from. I got the Christmas tree, the deer head, sweater vinyl, snowflake vinyl. They're amazing, must-haves. I'm telling you guys, you can do so many looks with these. So yeah, got those. Then I also got some simple little glitter dots. Nothing crazy, but I don't know, I just thought they were cute, and I could do just some easy dotacure or glitter placement looks with it. So got that. I got some more stamping plates. This one is from the brand What's Up Nails, and then this one is, oh, this is also What's Up Nails. But again, I just wanted to be ready to do some stamping nail art. So this has some sweater looks, and then this one again just has a bunch of different snowflakes, and I guess, yeah, mainly snowflakes for the most part. Then I had to get a few little gems. So, well, this one isn't a gem. I got some green nail foil, which I don't have. I was really shocked, so I had to get some of that. And then I got some more transfer foil. It's this really pretty red sweater look, so I had to get that. And then I also got some stars. So I got some little tiny gold, you're not gonna be able to see them, I'll do an overlay, but I got some really cute little gold studs, and I'm so excited, mainly because they're so tiny. I've not seen studs this small. So if you have short nails, these will be perfect for you, or to put on top of a tree. That's what I had in mind. And then I got some like star gems. So it has like the just clear crystal look to them. And then some bows, which every year I get bows. I feel like it's just so cute. You could do a little present nail, or just put the bow on your nail without the gift look to it. So got that. So the next thing I didn't purchase myself, this was PR from Makartt, but it's more of those reflecting gel polishes, and I'm really excited because this one has a green color, and I don't think the one that I bought had green in it, so excited about that. Okay, so I think that is everything that I have. I seriously can't wait to start creating content for you guys. It's gonna be a lot. Like, I'm gonna just be cranking out videos. But I will have everything I mentioned linked down below in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.